beef carrot Ivy Gourd stew or veal carrot Ivy Gourd stew, one of the most delicious of the beef recipes and one of the most tastiest of the carrot recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beef stew recipes and one of the most healthiest of the Ivy Gourd recipes. Today we are going to make beef carrot stew or beef carrot Ivy Gourd stew. The ingredients are 200 grams of beef or veal. The next ingredients are 200 grams of carrot cut into pieces, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, 1 green chilli, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 200 grams of Ivy Gourd pieces cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the onion. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Saute and mix. Now put in the beef or veal pieces. beef for the veal pieces. Now put in the carrot pieces. Mix. Mix the carrot pieces with the rest of the mixture. Put in the Ivy Gourd pieces. Put in the green chili. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Put in the tomato pieces. Mix thoroughly. Mix all ingredients thoroughly for 1 to 2 minutes so that the taste of the veal and the beef is nicely incorporated into the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Put in 2 spoons of garam masala or mixture spices. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix for 2 to 3 minutes. Now pour in 750 ml of water. Mix thoroughly. And let it cook for 120 minutes if in the pan, or 40 to 45 minutes if in the pressure cooker. Thoroughly mix. Add water if necessary. After 2 hours of cooking, 120 minutes, now the veal carrot ivy gourd stew or beef carrot ivy gourd stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final veal carrot ivy gourd stew or beef carrot ivy gourd stew. One of the most delicious of the dinner recipes and one of the most tastiest of the non-veg recipes, and one of the most unique of the beef stew recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the carrot recipes, and one of the most tastiest of the ivy gourd recipes, and one of the most awesome of the cooking ideas. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.